Well, hello, diamond painters. I have an unboxing today. Thank you for watching. My name is Anjoli, and I'm a little stuffed, still suffering from allergies and sinus, and so please excuse me. But today we are doing an unbagging for two diamond paintings from Aliexpress. It's the Kamy factory store. One is of an iris flower. It's a full round, and it's a 25 by 30. Paid $6.06. The next one is called Helmet. It's a football helmet. It's a full round. It's a 40 by 50. It was $10.80. I ordered it on May 25th. It shipped out the same day, and I got it in record time on June 6th. The total came to $16.86, but then I had some coupons, so I only paid $14.14 for it. And we're gonna open this real quick and check out what we got. We'll measure, see how many colors we have. I'll do inventory off screen like I always do, and then I'll come back on and let you guys know how it went. If you can tell, this thing is wrapped up in the bubble boot. And I think they do this to save on shipping instead of putting it in a box, because the box weighs more than a film of plastic filled with some air. So let me open this real quick. And it's not on a foam roller. They should put them on foam rollers when they put them in this thing, because it causes the bumpy crease from the bubble boot. I'm just putting that out there, everybody. Now, I normally order everything from the Kamy goods store, but I saw a factory store and they're the only ones that had these images, so that's why I ordered from them. All right, we have our white tray kits here. A thing of wax, looks like a 6-placer, bent tip tweezers, and the Huracan type pen with, of course, with the glitter on it, but no little squishies or grippies or whatever you want to call them. Sorry. And here we have our drills, and here's the first inventory sheet. It's of the iris flower, and these are both rounds. And here is the football helmet. My husband is a Dallas Cowboy fan, even though he's from New York, but anyone knows back in the days, biggest football teams were Dallas Cowboys and the Raiders, you know, in the 90s when I was a kid. All right, let's undo this one real quick, and I'll count how many colors I have when I do inventory. All right, let's see. Now, for a little 25 by 30, this seems to be a long list on the side, even though it's tiny. All right. I want to say I'm sorry if I sound like I'm unhappy, but I'm not. It's just my allergies. I'm actually in a good mood. I'm working on that Rapunzel craziness, so I can let them know what I have and don't have for diamonds, since they went off the inventory on that for the square canvas when they gave me the round drills. So even the colors are different, and that's something in a way good. You notice that the colors are going to be different with squares than with rounds. So that's the flower. I'm trying to see if I get the glare. Let me see. So that's the flower. Hope it comes out nice. And you can see a little bit of crease, of course, because it was wrapped around the drills and put in a bubble boot. But the drill field is clear. Do I have any weird looking symbols? Yes, we do. We have the, there it goes. Currency symbols. But I think everything will be readable. It doesn't look like it'll be too hard to see anything. Okay, let me just put this cover back on. One thing I don't like is you have this crease up here. Now that I'm looking at it, I wonder if it's gonna, yeah, that's one thing I don't like right now, is the crease. You see, it's really bad where you're gonna have to put diamonds down on. So I'm gonna have to try to flatten this one out as good as I can before I place anything down on it, but I have like 20 something diamond paintings still to work on. So this will just be in the bottom of the pile. It's not something I'm in a rush to do. My husband is rushing me to do the Superman one for him though. Sorry. He's telling me, when you gonna do my Superman? I said, as soon as I do this Rapunzel one, so I can let Evershine know what I'm missing. Because Evershine said, do it, the diamond painting with the drills you have so far, and then message us with what you're missing. Even though I sent them the inventory sheet on the side of the canvas, and I told them, these are the diamonds I'm missing. These are the ones that are going to be short because you guys went off the square canvas with the round drills for some strange reason. So I'm missing 15 colors, and I'm going to be short on 4 or 5 colors. So they just told me do it first with what I have, and then message them again with the list of what I'm missing. So yeah, so I had to start it. I didn't want to start that one. I wanted to start Superman when it came in, to be honest. I'm going to put you guys on pause real quick. Sorry, I knew I was going to have a nasty cough, so I just didn't want to record that. Same thing, these keys are so small. I wish they were bigger in size. So, let's see. Let me start over here. Okay, sorry. My camera made it sound like it stopped recording. And so I stopped the video altogether. My phone's been acting crazy lately. I don't know if this has anything to do with the new 5G thing they're coming out with, and they want to push everybody to get new phones, so people's phones start acting up. I wouldn't be surprised. So let's take a good look at this. A little bit more? Yeah. Sorry, I just want to move everything out of the way so I could turn this and you guys could get a good look at it. So there it is. There's some just creases in the canvas from the bubble boot, but there's the symbols. Nothing looked like it will be terrible. Just some weird symbols here and there. But yeah, he's a Dallas Cowboy fan. I wonder if I turn off the light. Hold on. Is that any better? It's dark in here without the light on. So that's what it is. Let me put the light back on. It's a cloudy day out, but it's not supposed to rain. Alright. Sorry, I think I should start filming everything in the living room. It just seems like everything came out so much better in the living room on the floor. Alright. Little teeny crease over here. I might have to pop one or a couple. But it's not terrible. It came pretty fast, to be honest. So I'm very impressed. Usually it takes 20 days, but the 25th to June 6th, what was that, like 10 days or something? 10 or 11 days? That was pretty awesome. I'm just trying to flatten this out. All right, guys. I'm going to put you lovely people on pause so I can do inventory, but I wasn't going to order any more diamond paintings until I saw this beautiful lantern one on the Kamy Good store. And they have 4 different ones, so now I want to collect them because I just think they're beautiful. But my husband kind of fueled me, and he was like, I showed him some of these diamond paintings. The Superman one, which I was supposed to get him last year, to be honest. And then I showed him the Dallas Cowboy one. He loved it. He was like, "Ooh, that's awesome." He said, "You have to order that so you can do it for me, and I can put it in my man cave." So, all right. And then we went on, and he's also a Yankees fan because he's from New York. And they have a nice Yankee one that he wants. So we'll see how that goes. All right, I'm gonna do a quick inventory, and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. All right, I am back. I just got done doing the inventory for the flower. And the one color I have the most of is 939s, which is close to the 310 black color. It is this dark color right here. I have 10 bags of these. My only thing I don't like so far is written in black ink, so it's really hard to see the numbers. But other than that, everything is here. It was 28 colors, and it came with a bag of bags. But yeah, these are all the colors for the iris flower. And I am going to do the inventory next on the football helmet. The only thing I'm surprised is looks like there might be yellow. But I really don't have any yellow except for like that mustardy color there. But other than that, I can't complain. Surprised it's 28 colors though. Okay, my phone acted up again, and I want to apologize. And this is getting on my nerves that it's screwing up on me. So I don't know if I told you guys I had a bag of bags, 28 colors. I remember saying that. The most I had was the 939s, 10 bags. And the one thing I noticed, I don't think I got in the recording, was measuring. So this is true to size, but a smidge off. Yes, it is a smidge off. It is like almost 30, but right on the button with 25. So it is almost a true 25 by 30. They do tell you, give them a little bit of leeway. They might be a little off, but it is true to image size, not canvas size. So when you do order from this store, you will get a canvas true to size. I will put you guys on pause, and hopefully my camera won't act up. And we'll do the inventory on the football helmet. I'll be right back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. My camera messed up again. It wouldn't stay on pause. I have 37 colors. It came with another bag of baggies. Here's the inventory sheet. The most I have are 310s, of course, and then 939s with 16 bags. I was expecting more blue, but there really isn't a lot of blues. You have really dark blue here, another blue here, and you also got this blue up there. A lot of grays, of course, and silvery colors. These are my 310s, 823s. But yeah, that was about it. Inventory was good. I measured it out. It is 49.5 centimeters by 40. So it was close to size. It's a smidge off again. Again, it's hard to see what the numbers read when you have dark drills. But what can you do? But everything was here. Fast shipping. Really fast shipping. I got it like in 10 days, 10, 11 days, which is fast for me. Because mine always take about 20. But yeah, I can't complain. And especially I only spent $14.14 for both of these diamond paintings. I think that's pretty awesome. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too crazy. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. And I'll come back with another unboxing soon. Have a good one, everyone. Thank you. Bye.